Hi, GC News. Bima Olivia Akwaba. The latest and hot news in Kwa. And I'm a Bremo. And so when you subscribe, ya. What say over subscribe. Now, like no share video. You say over click the subscribe button. Now, our barely notification. Where the side video be upload. With the first person on Sabeka and your video. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for us now. When you be here and summer coso, I walk on a memo. I feel young share and summer abeto your proso. Yinti yes, Uncle Moya El Coso, Yeti and some.
The same applies to Omo no Muye Jumanina. They are not intelligent. Omo Bumo, Omo Samwe Jimmy. We need to prove to these people. They have never had a policy sustainable. Do you know what sustainable policy means? The NPP has always been a party that's all. It is all about feeding them like chicken. Kabibi, let something stick and for them to dance around it. Red meat. They don't care. Say red meat. They don't care. They are like chicken. And right now they are struggling. The reason why Bawumia is struggling is because, one, Ghanaian youth, we have become more open-minded. We do a lot of research. We are fact-checking the system. Two, now that propaganda that they throw on people is not sticking because now people are able to research to know the truth. Into one, Jandam ni nyejuma. Two, atronomu chaton kofoso Mahama say where is it nyejuma. And three, they are trying to find a word. They are trying to find a slogan to rally around. The NPP, you know, before. All that they are waiting for is a Yakocho behind their bar. Not to say by the far side. The moment they see the leg, so they rally around the leg. They don't know whether that leg is infested. They don't know some movie we are. All that they want to do is they are going to chant around that leg and will consume it. And so what study from Kofo's time? A emotional campaign. It is all about it is all about how people will feel. It's not what the solutions will be. In Thomas Tatia, no makofa emoji. It is a dana samwa. Yabo udina ya freo. Sadana samwa bonyum. Wabot dam no bobo bidini ya frena. Dana samwa Kristo na mimenye Kristo niu. Sadana samwa wachinchine no jina bola so tunuma. Eno nchirase Ghana sika se meyeye. Inti yabo udini ya freo. Nenum kan. Na Ghana for said dana samwa jimi on twinchoni dinti. Yabo Akufo di ni afre no enti enyina enkodi Akufo echi ubehuna obi te se Ampong we using enima we using hwo aho nyina nenam hwe obi te se akoya we twa ponk ya de se ojeje koleba e obokine yi Omane acheampong. These are people they cannot even write their names, but you see the NPP they like things like that, not humans. So they like things like that because someone say the majority of the people support form. And you will see them sitting on radio and backing like dogs. I didn't say, "Omo kachire so muye Christopher moto nyamenyom." And yes, I'm kachire. Now muye Christopher moto nyamenyom a. Adena ende ejuma politicians here no. You people are today screaming say, "Adena politicians need to amoka emwa." And I saw a video like that, and I was telling Koto say, "Wemo omuye nyan." And these are the people who have misled Ghanaians. Muntie Jimmy for we. Muntie omo.
Enka ya papa John Dramani Mahama enka onye contest but MPP vote more than against their own people.
And how many problem of a burning no
MPP for 3 more
bad and wicked
people
in a good position. Bad and wicked people in a good position.
Nantia o man Ampong ye kosrem ye kokumase ye kotakrat ne fa ye di MPP fuachi since 2008 ye boa amahia fo ma no atime ko secondary school no car tie so obi so ama me o mani bia na so Ampong conference na ye ko station a o me ye connected to MPP and a message you ya ye ka ye ko ka ba bi on beka se ye bo omachi ebrebe Kumasi Kwancha say ya bahase ebe Friday no ya bobomu a ya ko wuntumi ya fa ya si ha ye wie ya no onyankopon da roma ya timi ato airtime Agyapa TV tie famu within the week na weekend no Sunday ni akoho na Afriyie de nyoma koto to baabi a nyoma yanya kwa entity na ne akwa akoye
yene petro ne hotel
MPP ni ben
wo frɛ kra mfa
e de timi kra fra say adwuma bebre ba mo ye
nti sa nyoma we sa no matantan
why na abo amos enipo do party but appointation ndu omani yobia minimini abra ye bre nyina
mo yobia
yenya ye botomu since 2008
wo mu ya wo ofra onfa
me cars am different broche about 5 cars no ye di ni nyina ye campaign ma nyina se
baku ko breki takwa
am frank asa
baku ko breki o is the go
mo ma je pick up kura na mo fanya dia mo ye na MPP vo na sa de we
but on say so what share something about them one omu nyina asra two omu nyina de nku ayo mutrim. These are very ignorant people. Nyamedwuma na ema Ghana fo hu omu mbobo nkwasiafo omu ko school da tie nyamenwum na omu konya a little bit of space omu de da Ghana fo no a omu se omu twekra ma nyame no omu jai tie o and omu spend the time e de asra ema omu ho ayekokọ because inferiority complex omu so omu ho time until they want to be accepted first until nyamenwum na ema omu be ye nipa Ghana fo bi ehu omu mbobo na omu kakra no a omu se omu de nyamenwum na omu de best nipa kra no omu jai no and as see and omu say they are doing campaign for a political party. Now the question here is, do you see these people as gospel musicians or you see them as foolish as Chema to be a politician? Now you see it. Into also say majority of these people they are not out there they are behind political party. Into these people all that they do they say a political no. There is nothing there is nothing about nyamia ewonkofo because your prime responsibility say obatonyum asakre dipa akonyame e den na de oti radio so ebo party so mo say why adwuma ba party na party nhwo emoa anytime catch there Ghana for a Christopher ni bi onwa glove afenyi dadzi me say obewu omuhu se wewu ade be chine wewu be 4 days. The way some of the women aglow, the leadership, they be America, me say, Mammy for to do join aglow, and you fault to ye aunties, ye mammenum, and ye afeni daddy, any sa criminal group no mote, aglow leadership no, omonom ya bay for. If God has to strike, he needs to kill those people leading aglow because omona almost say nyankopon din. Sa Boakye Agyapong and sa akwea we use no show hu nyina tete they are not supposed to exist amongst us because they are misleading people in the name say Christopher yeto nyamenyom political gospels on they be a catch Ghana for mamu ntie nkwasiafo we yo we mom ye tutu for jantra for we jolto for but mumubi you are so easy to convince, you are so easy to lie to because obi gina ho na okasa nyankopon dia also di nechi no. Enye kwasie bi obo ewurade din ena nyame eden honhon konkron won so we mu they are filthy dirty old people. They don't know what to do with their lives. Inti what is the difference between akwama nkwasiafo mo ka say any MPP communicator? What is the difference between MPP communicator? But these same fools will come and pick mic and say yeah nyame adwuma no mo ja to and omo complaining bitterly say political party and show mo into hwe Boakye Agyapong what activate afa the team said the Adeje nchene o Somalia and Gyamfi for so the UB afa the team na hwe omo hu omo tete ho for them to even touch their skin. The crampo shows said their level of intelligence omo adwene wo form at say KVIP ase. And these are not people who decide or bra so be ko enim because their whole thing is that baby you free no dey enim nie enya kra ye be die chire. That is the mentality. Enya about to say obetena se adwene o omutirim no baby you free no we ni enim enya kra and this pay day into di nkwasiafo se echi a ene na ma wadwuma gu e woso ame ene na ma wadwuma gu e wo kagetia ene na ma wo ho kirewo ene na ma dollar ne kodu 16 eno ene ma nyoma nkoye ma because san kwasiafo you cannot think, sit, analyze and think about omo before they think about you. Into san kwasiafo ya parading on the streets of Ghana say omo your gospel musicians and omo than MPP communicators busa ho sa de ntira nyame honhon kronkron no ekọ he. These people have never been gospel musicians. These people have never served God. These people have always used you people. Mamu man kwasiafo we omuntumi njiro mudin enda dawo. Now, ye ba be wura wagon nim
broni be ka se ewo enya na wie ewo root bi bebi e sha ase free ye party no anana me gina efidie so aka kire o say ye mpo new patriotic party eye akamfo party I'm telling you me nye so aka kire o say ye mpo new patriotic party eye akamfo party I'm telling you me nye ethnicity ye party no anana me gina efidie so aka kire o say ye mpo new patriotic party eye akamfo party I'm telling you me nye ethnicity wa ha me catch your plane say new patriotic party eye akamfo party nana asen we dey America no kura kire o de nti America ne say say ye beto aba nana tie ni wo de nti America sa yo de no de nti America say ye to aba ewo Ghana ha yen tena sen ka say ye twen wale resource ye twen wale
say wale for so dey so
meba yen ka say ye twen wale de ye ka ne say ye twen ye bantuma ye twen we dem pese me kire ne say notness no omoboa na so enye omo no omo ma ye wi ne kure mu de e ba ko enye omo no ma ye wi elections NPP win elections for Ghana
to general election they say no omo amu Valman boy omo nothing side omo voter omo East in the Keka Hono, Omunya Mabana to
Nana, and that's
Asantifon Quanto.
Maybe I just say, fact is a fact. You're talking okay. Zongo no. Bawumia and Kojo for 3 days. A Juma or pa, thinking say, or you're not an internet come follow. But your corner, Uncle Siaga.
If you want to vote to our nothing side.
Make any vote.
Now, I didn't Asantifon.
The origin of the party name free slim. If you are sentiments, and I'm person yet here. If you are coming, Nana, vice president position is a position. I'm telling you.
Because
then you know, you can't tribes na and you can't boom. Origin of the party is coming from a camel. And you no doubt.
What's him we make up a debut
no correct.
Come on. What say?
Yes.
You saying you all see me.
Exactly.
Say NPP for a Santi4 party.
Me say party no efla Santi name. Origin of the party is from Yanana is a fact.
It's here for Mammo.
A fact. Nana, baby, your bobo are you winning fano. Yes, Sano.
Go, you say winning.
Anyway, I will root be.
Okay.
Baby, a chassis free. Your party no. And Nana me jina if you dear so catch or say, Yempo, new patriotic party, a akamfo party. I'm telling you, me your ethnicity wa. Me catch your plane, say new patriotic party. A akamfo party. Nana asen we the American kura kiro. Denti American is an say beto abana.
Mahmoud Bawumia eyi this tribal bigot. You see, Napo almost said Napo apologizes to Nkrofo chiefs for your Nkrumah comment. Now, on said Napo any MPP for on any day Nkobibaka say, oh, the Napo can a slip of tongue. No. Napo edidi Kwame Nkrumah temwie no. Ade chi no osako bebi ko ka say one de obekoso aye de oye. Inti it is a deliberate thing. It is something a show mumu. But Obibaka say, oh, Napo de so on the ejimijimi. Inti ebia a mistake no aye. On say encha na Akufo Addo so bae ebejimi no ho. Now, since say Nkofo we eyi Napo has not been able to make any intelligent statements. Or they convince Ghana Nibia say MPP a party also be tomano. Every single day Napo be opportunity biano. Napo has to apologize. And no nane ye catch the MPP from the beginning. Say party wo wa ya nhyɛ nipa sɛ onyi nipa bi free party bu chinchina because ebetuma ba sɛ ebi Napo ya asantini asantofo dodo etuma MPP enkyerɛ sɛ Napo nim nyansa. These are the things I try to obi sɛ odi obi atem. No. Say asantofo dodo tuma MPP it does not mean say chinchina we asantini obe nyansani. Because the probability is obetumi yi asantini so awajim na high. And yes say obetumi yi asantini nyansani so high. And nitina time and now almost start say Napo by force Bawumia nyi Napo ayese ahemfu bi di akire no you were causing a lot of harm to the party. Now, Akwawe, since some was say party no, Napo did not bring anything to the party. Now, Obibagin said, Napo asamo kaya no, oh, Napo edidi Kwame Nkrumah tem inte yenzima fo. No, Napo insulted the soul of Ghana. So when Napo goes to Nkrofo, Naso Kojina Nkrofo himfunku enim na opa omochewa. Napo has not rendered an apology to the soul of this country. And when I say the soul of this country, every single Ghanaian or democratic onim nyansa odo Ghana no, everybody appreciates what Kwame Nkrumah did to get us independence. And Napo did not just insult Nzimafo. Napo basically insulted the soul of this nation, every single Ghanaian, and that is what Napo is failing to do. Napo is supposed to have a prime time TV coverage or didn't say good in Sayama or apologize to Ghanaians. Napo needs to apologize to Ghana and beyond Ghana. Napo needs to apologize to Africans, because Kwame Nkrumah kura heads of state and the son adakem. It means Kwame Nkrumah baby odru, it is beyond Ghana. It is not Napo going to Ebia a Krobiso agriculture. He be say, oh, the American man can it stops there. It does not stop there. Napo's insult, no, it's an insulter. It's Ghana Nibia. Napo insulted Ghana, not Nkrofo for. So Napo Ekon Krofo na sebia okopa ahemfobi chawa. Napo has not done the needful. Napo needs to come on primetime TV, get his flag bearer by his side, get the party leadership, Koffo, the Council of Elders, all on one stage, and render an apology to Ghanaians and Africa. And when Ghana for a pathway, any emunipanobo. What Napo is doing is basically even insulting us. Kwame Nkrumah, with all due respect, does not belong to only Nzimafo. As much as we respect Nzimafo, their contribution by bringing Kwame Nkrumah on this earth, Omubu Kwame Nkrumah denema Ghana no, Nzimafo de Kwame Nkrumah ma Ghana ne Africa anywhere say. In this Saudi di Kwame Nkrumah tema, you are not only insulting Nzimas, you are insulting Ghana. And this idiot has insulted Ghana. He is not even supposed to be giving the nod. So Ghana ni bienim. Napo's insult Odidi Kwame Nkrumah, it goes beyond Nkrofo. It goes beyond Kwame Nkrumah Krum. It is Ghana that Napo insulted. So this idiot needs to apologize to every Ghanaian. This guy, he needs to apologize to every single Ghanaian. But party no. And you see one funny thing, the NPP, they support what Napo did. Because since Napo edidi Kwame Nkrumah tem di Ghana for atem no, yenya MPP penyini bia manemba abontene ka say this one there, even though me MPP ni, this is wrong, and I apologize on behalf of MPP. Penyini bia nyeye. Kojo supports Napo's statement. Owusu Ajman, he supports Napo's statement. Bakuya onante banchire Michael Kwe, he supports Napo's statement. Akufo Addo supported the NPP. As a political party, they support the insult Napo. They insulted Ghanaians. Napo has insulted we Ghanaians, not in Nkrofo. Until the NPP realized that the number of people in Ghana who are angry about Napo's statement, they have no idea. So for Napo to just go to Nkrofo to go and meet some chiefs, Napo has still not done the needful. Napo needs to come on national television. The whole NPP as a political party, their chairman, the general secretary, the council of elders, the people calling themselves the NPP leadership, every single person, they all need to be on one stage to render an unqualified apology to Ghanaians. Jimmy. Because they see every Ghanaian say, Sebio say support to MPP away Jimmy. That is the mentality of these people. That is the mentality of these people. Because you see something, they think say won't support MPP or Ghana. Onka MPP one or Kobi. Into deliberately no, sir in Kojo Kyeremanteng say they want to denigrate Ghana, and they want to start it from Nkrumah. Nobody should accept this guy's foolishness until they all come out as a political party, until the NPP, Napodin Kwachase with the NPP as a political party, the chairman, the general secretary, they have not even apologized to Ghanaians. They all believe in what Napo said. Why should any young Ghanaians go to the ballot and vote for Napo and vote for Bawumia? Jimmy, Napo has insulted Ghana, our soul, and he needs to pacify Ghana's soul. In this Jimmy no Ghana for Nyansa, Some person respect it. Send a popesa odi ebuoma Ghana. Send odi ebuoma otufo. Akonya na ote no. Eye sikejwa mesumibu sikejwa no. Send a po epese odi sa ebuo na odi ma sikejwa. Ye nyina wa santimema na yesom no a. Na po should render an apology to Ghanaians. Say NPP omo pese omo di ebuo ema Ghana. Ebuo na omo de ma sikejwa. NPP di ma sikejwa. Asante hini sikejwa no. So omo pese omo di the same ebuo ni ma Ghana. They need to apologize to Ghanaians. Because it is looking more like the NPP as a political party, no, the respect they have for Sikejano, they don't have the same respect for the parties naka.
Yo, it's for we and some abeto so. Because decision so and our head no. So we can subscribe here. But what they say over subscribe. So I had the latest and hot news in Kwana the Bremo. After so we are now like video na share more for so any dinner one share. Also, bit me actually what you have some now work comment box no over to interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.